In this video, I'm going to be explaining what RPM on YouTube means. So you might be in your YouTube analytics and you go to the revenue section and you see this new feature that says RPM. Everyone's used to the CPM rates on their YouTube channels, but RPM is relatively new. So I'm going to go ahead and explain what RPM is in this video. So I have an article from YouTube themselves that explains RPM in a little bit of more detail so we can get a good understanding of what RPM is. So it stands for revenue per milli, and it's a metric that represents how much money you've earned per 1,000 video views. Now your CPM rate is the amount that you earn per 1,000 views before YouTube takes its cut. And now with the addition of the RPM metric, you can see your actual true revenue that you would earn per 1,000 views. So it takes into consideration a whole bunch of factors, plus it takes into consideration the cut that YouTube takes out of your revenue. So this is a more true, accurate representation of what you're going to be earning every single month. So it's based on multiple revenue sources, including ads, channel memberships, YouTube premium revenue, super chat, and super stickers. And you might be wondering why your RPM number is lower than your CPM, and they explain it here. So that it's calculated after YouTube's revenue cut and includes all views, including those that weren't monetized. And finally, the main difference between RPM and CPM is that RPM is all about the creator and how much they earn, and the CPM rate is more tailored towards the advertisers. So when you're looking at your analytics to see how much money you're going to be making and making various calculations and things like that, what you want to do is base all your calculations off your RPM rate, which is this rate right here in the middle if you go to the revenue tab on your YouTube channel. So you can see my CPM is $9.13, but my RPM is $3.32. So if I want to calculate how much I would earn per 1,000 views, it's right here underneath the RPM. $3.32 is a more true representation or estimate of what I would be earning per 1,000 video views on YouTube. So that is RPM explained. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.